Good morning, Philippines!
Pagpasok ko dito, guys, ito na yung ginawa ni Tami, look. Move everything. The table, she make it smaller. This is the real look of the table, guys. When there's no cover, look. It's like they want it covered because they want to protect the table. But look, it's shiny. It's real wood, strong. I really want this table to be just like that, honey. Can you tell your son to move? No. Sabi ko kay Tami, guys, itong area na to, wala na tayong dining. Ilagay na natin yung table doon sa breakfast area. You know, ang gawin natin ito ditong, you know what I plan? Second living room. So, I really want this room over here to be a, second living room. And then that table is going to the breakfast thing over there, look, oh. Can I put that over there now? We're gonna use this all.
Don't lift it.
That's gonna be our breakfast area, hon. Oh, I like it like that, hon. Hon! And then that's a living room. Second living room. Oh, I like it. I like the house tight, hon. I like the house tight. Can we make the house tighter? That means don't put your junk. It's just a nice stuff. Yeah, I know, but I love seeing you like this. No choice na si Tami, guys. Black and white with a colorful thing. Look at it. Kasi wala kaming plain. No, it's not. No. Ay, ibalik daw niya, guys. Ay, gusto ko sana dito to. Gusto ko yung sobrang tight. And you have to map properly over there because I see a lot of marks. I don't see it now. And from here, look, oh. Hey, look at me. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, but you cannot just like run it one time. You have to like back and forth, back and forth. So, ngayon guys, tapusin ko lang yung ginawa ko dun sa labas. Kasi I started something outside. So, ipakita ko sa inyo, gusto ko lang magtanim, mag-transfer ng mga kahit anong i-transfer. Ngayon, nag-worried ako kung saan ko ilalagay yung zucchini. Tignan mo yung table dun. Wala akong lugar sa para sa zucchini, wala talaga. So ngayon nag-alala ako, 'yon, para sa zucchini natin. Hindi ko na kayo dalhin sa kasi hindi rin ako makapag-vlog sa labas kasi yung music is andon, nagpa-music si Tami doon, ang loud. So 'yon. So hindi ko na kayo madala. And then ipakita ko na lang sa inyo pag tapos na akong kung saan ko sila tina-transfer, ganon. And then hayaan lang natin si Tami diyan.
So let me catch you. So let me catch you slipping by. Why do I get myself? Why do I get myself caught up in these lonely nights? Oh, why do I get myself?
Guys, sumakit yung likod ko. May clip tayo sa GoPro. Sumakit yung likod ko sa doon sa pagdidig kasi I do more extension for the eggplant and some of the string beans. And on some of whatever. It's still very chill. I straight it out. The same thing what over here to balance it out. Hindi pa siya tapos dyan, guys. ako for now. Tapos na ako for now. And then, pahinga lang konti. And then, maligo. And then, magluto. Ang kalat ng bahay, guys. Bahala na. Basta kay, ano lang. Anyway, pahinga lang ako konti. And then, maligo ako, guys. Alam nyo, guys, itong lime ko, nilabas ko this morning. Ang nangyari, na-shock siya. I don't know kung sa sun, kasi direct sun siya ko nilagay. I think okay lang naman ito, direct sun. Pero I think kahit this morning kasi yung hangin is maginaw pa rin. Kahit under the sun ka, maginaw pa rin yung hangin. Na-shock yung lime. Itong lime, lahat ng dahon niya, nagkuklose. So, sabi ni Tami, ipasok ko raw. Yun, naulian siya, parang na-okay siya. Dahil pinasok ko. Kaluka, cannot handle a little bit of cold. One more? How many? How many coat daw is that? 3 now already, right? You do it 3, the same thing here. That's not the traffic area. That's done, huh? Pagka-blur na lang yun. Ang sakit ng kamay ko. Ay, iwan ko na lang itong kamerahan ko. Yun, kaluka. So, yun. Bago tayo maligo, kunin ko lang tong ito. Tilapia tayo. And, ano ko lang ito, lagyan ng seasoning. For Tami. So, yun guys, nitry namin ni Tami ito. Ang sarap. Super stick. Super stick. Ang sarap niya. Ubi yung kinuha ko. Marami dong flavor, pero ubi yung kinuha natin.
Let me tell you, your son's like looking at you like you're out of your friggin' mind.
She's hungry. He's hungry.
He's always hungry. It's too early.
It's too early. That's her food. That's her food. Before 5, it's food time.
It's not. He came looking at 3:30. For 3:30 for
Don't
food.
push me.
I'm getting a salad.
Ala, you eating, Han? You eat apple? It's good. I like when you do that. You eat apple, my love. Amazing.
Hey, you get your salad.
Amazing apple. My husband is making salad. Me, I'm going to eat my candy cocoa.
You want these to grow?
Huh?
You want to add into these to grow?
Okay, you cut it properly, okay? You wash my hand again.
You cut off what you want to cut off.
You cut it off. I will watch you.
Oh, you know how big you want. Not bad.
Huh?
Not bad. You can
Ano,
have
oy,
it.
Habs? You're hungry, Bob? Okay, here, honey. The same thing, oh. The same, follow the direction of mine. Ang sarap nito. Candy QQ. Sarap. And then I'm going to take a shower. Huh?
Me too.
It's so nice outside. We've been listening music outside, guys. Alexa, Amazon. Katapos ko lang naligo. And fresh na fresh yung mukha kong pagka-fresh. Tapos na siya. Ako naman magluluto ako. Salad lang naman kami ngayon, guys. Ako mag-rice ako konti. Pero yeah. Salad. Hello, guys! So ngayon, nilagyan ko na siya ng paminta. Nilagyan ko na rin ng paprika pala. At saka, nilagyan ko na siya ng hindi pa pala. Nito. Old Bay. So, yun. Tagtarin natin ng seasoning. Yun. So, yun lang siya. And then, baliktarin natin. Ito yung ni Tami. Tilapia niya. And then, paprika. Kasi gusto ni Tami yung may pagka-spicy talaga. Kasi may Old Bay. Itong Old Bay, guys, na seasoning ng isda is siya. Yung binili namin is spicy. Hot siya, look. Old Bay seasoning. Asan yung sabi na hot? This is not hot. It is low sodium. Asan yung isa? Ito yung gusto ko. Ito yung gusto ko. Spicy. Pero yung ginamit ko is low sodium, which is good for my baby. Low sodium. Yun. Yun. And then Cajun. So, yun. And, paminta na naman. And then, yun siya. Yun lang. And, yung ano ko, yung salmon ko is ano siya, sinisison ko lang siya ng vinegar, lemon, pepper, paminta pala. And then, nilagyan ko siya ng asin konti. Yun lang. Ito siya, ulam. Dito si Tami ay. Nakikinig ng sound. Karaoke yan guys. Nakikinig ng music, karaoke. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung garden ko doon.
They're gonna sit there and try and get bailout money to cover up their fuck-ups.
Hi guys, kain tayo guys. Like every time I move my hips, over here hurts. Han, it really did. I'm old, Han. Han? There's a lot of sign, Han. Yung ano ko guys, yung hips ko when I carry that pad upstairs.
Yeah.
When I do the stairs like this, it hurts until it's now up. Tomorrow morning, I will be really in bed.
I don't feel from carrying stuff around.
Ito yung food natin guys. Look. Dinner natin yan. Ang sakit ng katawan ko guys. Grabe. Oh, I like this view. I like the background of my video. The kitchen.
I didn't even carry it, even move.
Hmm?
You didn't even move.
Yeah. Wait, that. Tomorrow morning. I want to know the wind.
Oh, we gotta look out early.
And look at that one. Misty. Is she maniac?
Don't you think she's a guy?
Huh?
Don't you think she's a guy?
Yeah. I think Misty is a lesbian. She's been doing that since she was a baby. She wants to. Tommy had the tilapia. How's the tilapia? Yeah. Sarap na dinner. Ano naman ang tubig? Eh, hindi pala tubig. Thank you, Hannah. Paminta. He likes to have pepper. Every time he eats pepper before, so now he stopped using salt. Use a lot of pepper now.
Are you something?
Sarap.
Central Hudson understands the concern and uncertainty you may be experiencing with the coronavirus pandemic. We remain committed to being responsive to your needs, providing safe and reliable service. Your health
You're early tomorrow.
is our priority.
I'm going to drive early. I will look you up.
Please contact us at
I live at 4.
centralhudson.com to discuss your options. We're committed to helping you through these difficult times.
The latest updates, resources, and news that help you community. Visit sectionlocal.com/1NY.
Labas tayo mamaya, guys. Pakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung na-achieve ko kanina. Hindi naman siya kaano. Pero, lagay mo. Pero, balik tayo sa labas. Nalubat lang ako. Pero, okay pa naman. Makikita pa ninyo yung mga nagawa ko. Look, wala ng araw. Pero, hindi pa madilim. Yun, dito. Dito lang to sila. Yung string beans, oh. Yan. Transfer ko lang sila dyan. And ito, bok choy. Yan. And then, nilagyan ko na ng ano yung isang tomato dyan. Yan siya. Masakit yung puwit ko, guys, sa kakaano kanina. Good, ano. Look. Ito. I think sabi nila i-transfer daw ito, pero ayaw ko na yung i-transfer. Lumaki na yung ano, bok choy, guys. Ito, kinunan ko to dito. Tina-transfer ko kasi siya. Yan, dyan. Yan. Sakit. And, dito, oh. Ito pala. Yung strawberry natin. Yun. Okay. Yun, yung strawberry, tinanim ko sa ano, sa may gilid. Ayun. And, ano, ito siya. Look, nilagay ko dito, nilinya ko. Litos ni Tami para salad. Look. May nag-ano, lumabas yung mga kapitbahay doon, no? Nag-ano sila. Ito, hindi man ito masaya, eh. Arugula. Yung garlic natin, tumaas na. Yung garlic. And ito yung dinagdagan ko siya, guys. Look. Dito ko itanim yung eggplant. Yung eggplant dyan. Bok choy. Dapat siya i-transfer ko yan pag okay na. Pero dito wala pa. Yung yung string beans, nag-start na siyang nagala. Ito, lumabas na. Look. Oo, meron na siya dyan. Yan yung okra doon. Malapit na din. Yung ano ko, tawag nito, yung grapes, may bagong tubo na sanga. Pero maliit pa. Sakit ng katapla. Ano yan? Yung ibon ba? Ang ingay talaga ng ibon na tulok. Lumipad na. Anyway guys, i-end ko na tong vlog. Hindi nga ako guys, naliligo si Tami. Ang sakit ng katawan ko, promise. Ang sakit, promise talaga guys. I'm not joking, promise. Naliligo si Tami sa taas. I-on ko lang tong light para hindi mahulog sa hagdan yung sahod natin. Yun, hindi lang. So ngayon guys, i-end ko na tong vlog kasi ang sakit talaga ng katawan ko. Iba ngayon yung naramdaman ko. Feel ko na talaga yung pagtanda ko guys, as in. I'm not joking, lahat ng ngayon, yung legs ko ngayon masakit. As in, masakit siya. Look dito, oh, masakit. Dito. Dahil sa pagpala ko, ganun-ganun. Kita nyo kanina. So, i-end ko na tong vlog guys. Salamat guys sa panonood guys ha. And yun. See you bukas guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you guys sa mga susunod na vlog. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye guys. Good night.